Hi, my name is Shaarang, and today I'm going to help you ace GMAT SC using the whiteboard. Now, for this purpose, I'm going to be using e-GMAT Scholarinium platform, which has a whiteboard which is a near identical implementation of the whiteboard that you would ultimately see on the official GMAT online test. So I'm going to scroll to the top left of my screen and click on the show whiteboard icon, and that's going to pop up a whiteboard on my screen. And to ace GMAT SC, I'm going to be using just one tool from this whiteboard, which is the text tool. So I'm going to click on text here and bring up a text box and follow two very simple rules to uncomplicate complicated SC questions. The two rules I'm going to follow are: one, I'm going to make note of every subject verb pair in the statement and objects, if any. And the second rule is I'm going to add a line break or just click enter or add bullets to denote modifiers and parallelism. Now, following these two rules, we're going to be building a sentence structure. And this sentence structure is going to help us understand the meaning of the sentence very, very easily. And that's going to help us identify the errors in the sentence. So let's get started. So we're going to follow these rules and take notes as we're reading the sentence. I'm just going to bring up a text box here. Perfect. So research is being carried out to improve the current typhoid fever treatment. Now, naturally, research is the subject here. Is being carried out is the verb. I'm going to be using full words, but please use shorthand if that's what you're comfortable with. To improve the current typhoid fever treatment. Now, fever treatment is the object. So research is being carried out for fever treatment is the essence, the bare bone meanings of the first half of the sentence. Now, there's a second half of the sentence offset by a comma. The second half is a modifier, so I'm going to take it on a new line. The occurrence of which has, however, been significantly controlled in rich countries by just improving water sanitation. Now, it starts with a which modifier, the occurrence of which, and the which modifier illogically refers back to fever treatment. Now, I think the statement is here trying to say the fever itself has been controlled in rich countries. So we found one error there. So I'm going to put an asterisk here and say the fever has been controlled elsewhere. Now, this seems to capture the bare bones meaning of the sentence. Research is being carried out for fever treatment, while fever has been controlled elsewhere. And when creating this sentence structure, we also identify the error in this sentence, which is a modifier error, in my opinion. Now, the modifier error, where which refers to fever treatment and not the fever itself, is the one that we're going to seek to eliminate when we consider the answer choices. So let's have a look at some of the answer choices. Choice A is out. Let's look at choice B. The occurrence of which has, however. Now, this repeats the occurrence of which error, which we seek to eliminate. So B is out. Let's look at C. However, the occurrence of typhoid fever has been significantly controlled. Now, this is interesting. This fixes the occurrence of which modifier problem by introducing the noun entity typhoid fever, which is the correct noun entity required here. However, it introduces a stray however, which should be offset by a semicolon and should be followed by a comma in this case. The illegal use of however in option C is why I'm going to strike out option C. Now let's look at option D. Now, option D presents a new modifier here in case of the where modifier, which is a positional modifier. It talks about a certain place or a certain position the fever treatment, which is what it refers to, is not a place or position. So the use of the where modifier here is illegal, which is why I will strike out option D. Now let's look at option E. The occurrence of typhoid fever has, however, been significantly controlled in rich countries. That's the statement. Now, this option fixes the occurrence of which problem by introducing noun entity in case of typhoid fever, and the semicolon here does not really give rise to any grammatical issues in the statement. So for me, option E is an easy win. That's the one I'm going to select.